Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Spanish Town Road. Now this is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica, and look at the condition of the road. It is raining today and it's a 3-lane road on each side. And because of the rain and the poor drainage, you can only use 1 or 2 lanes. The lane all the way to the left is completely full of water. And to make matters worse, they have no white lines on this road. One of the busiest roads in Jamaica, could possibly be the second busiest road, as Mandela Highway is the busiest road. But this road takes you from Mandela Highway to downtown Kingston and halfway through. Now, Spanish Town Road is so busy that the largest intersection in Jamaica is located at the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. It is the busiest intersection in Jamaica, so they built a double overpass there. And look at the state of this road. Now, I have no idea how the government has $45 billion to fix roads under the Spark program and another 13 or 14 billion to fix roads under the CAPEX program, and this road has not been fixed. I have no idea. And this road falls under the responsibility of the NWA, the National Works Agency. Now, a lot of very large businesses are located on this road. J. Ray and Nephew, Toyota, Red Stripe. There are a few other car dealerships. There's the Excelsior factory. So many businesses are located on this road, and look at the state of the road. As you can see, no white lines on a 3-lane road. On the left is well, they're actually building a new gas station. That's not it. That's not sure what that is, but I don't know what's going on with this road. But the NWA needs to seriously take a look at this road and upgrade it. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.